Hey there YouTube, how's it going? Welcome back to the Old Farts Garage. So today, for this Saturday, well actually all week long, I've been working on the doors, trying to get them all sanded up and cleaned up and ready for paint. And it's been a hassle, but boy oh boy, they are gonna be looking good. So let me show you what we got. All right, so both doors are now sanded on both sides. All the rust holes and everything are all patched up on the corners and on the bottom panels. And now what I've been doing is I've been taking all the window channels out, right? Not looking good. We got room coming in, but see, we got all the window channels out, and what I've been doing is I've been sanding down right here. I'm getting all this pretty wet with the sanders. So anyways, getting all that rust out of there and stuff. But there's the doors. Okay, they're looking good. They're ready for primer just as soon as I get all the rest of the inside right here all taken care of, which is going to be no problem. And of course, you know, nothing's going to always be perfect, because like on this channel here, of course, the infamous missing nut. This one still has it. That one I got to weld it back on. As much as I hate welding, but I got to do it. And then I got my driver's side wing window here. I gotta still take care of the rubber and all that stuff on this one. But that one's out. And these are ready to be worked on and painted. Tonight, before I go to bed, they will be done. And then all I gotta do is just tape them up and spray them. So that's what I got for you guys. So it's not much, just a quick little update on what I'm got going on. The doors are getting ready to get sprayed hopefully next week. I'll have a video for you of me spraying the doors. They're going to be white on the inside, all white, and then on the outside they're going to be two-tone, red on top, white on bottom. So anyways, y'all have a good weekend. Thank you for all the subscriptions and all the likes and all that good stuff on my content. And I hope y'all have a great weekend, a great 4th of July. And we'll have something else for you later. All right, so y'all have a good one, and God bless.